Yeah, now you. I think what happened is shown. You have created. Can you open the property? Click on the processor icon beside the property. This one, right? Yeah. In the ID itself. I think you have given dot. No, here it is fine. See the label you have given as dot right on the top. Click on the property on the top. You know you have a rule, category right delivery date. Property delivery date available, you have on the top right. Yeah, correct. Click there. Yeah, remove the dot here. You have given dot, so it was coming as a. Now click on open. Check out and save it. You have made a change, okay. How about your section and refer it again? Go to your section and refer it again. Like again, you click on down arrow and refer it, like it will refresh. And then click on it. Use property default checkbox inside it. Label use property default. Okay. Now you are not getting the dot. Now submit it and save it, understood? Right. What do you have done? Yeah. Yeah, you add some few properties here, Shivangini, and also below. Also you add some current address properties. Okay, these are like delivery address properties. Below you add some current address properties. Yeah, sure. Yeah, so just add some 3, 4, like a 3 or 4 properties total like. Them zip code and some address. Lane 1 something. Yeah. It's done right. I have to go again. And submit it here down. Okay, dot, then I will see the submit. Data capture. This one we are finding. We are just creating a properties in a section so the user can enter his input. Yeah, I don't understand what else. I can give you the code you can use. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I try to create a same property below in a different dynamic layout. Go to the structure. Go to the structure and create a dynamic layout. Dynamic layout to go. Yeah. You can add 4 text inputs and you can create a drag and drop 4 times and you create properties. This would be properties would be current address. Yeah, no. Top 1 is a current. This will be delivery. Top 1. The address. Yeah. 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 Close the other things. Yeah. Okay. Date of delivery. Yeah. I'll give that doesn't matter. And it's a text only, or how you have created the top property. Text only. I should create this date right. You can change the control here. Actually on the top you have a change right. You can change the control. Just try. We will also check whether it's coming or not. Yeah, it's coming. The top. Also, you have given the same rate. This is date. I gave on the top. Yeah. Delivery address, customer name. What else? Same top properties, what you have given those properties on. You try to take current zip code. Current address and zip code. Address, you have already given current address and name you can give. Customer name or something. So delivery address I already gave. So customer name, right? Link and open. See. Click. is already there, so it is opening the previous property. Okay, so you try to give current, is it or what is?